This is koa fish, koa mach actually. So look at this. Mila? It will be 10 kgs fish. So friends, welcome to you another brand new video. You are watching Fishing Story 365. I am at Lotakata Khiaghat. In front of me it is river protection dam, the green area you're watching, and I am on the board. It is a fishing board actually. So I'd like to share you how they are fishing by their net. It is Pira River. It is southeast part of Bangladesh. This river is a big river, one of big river in Bangladesh. It is a great river. It's a famous river in Bangladesh. So board is starting. Look at this. It's so noisy. So I'm stop now. I'm speaking stop. So look at this. I'm just showing how to catch fish. We're going middle in the pond. We're going middle in the river. Sorry, I'm saying pond. It was mistake actually. Maybe wave in this river. Plastic container. It is clogged of the net. So there are different area for different fishermen. It is their area. They're following the net. Finally, we are done. All net is falling. So we are almost come at river dam, protection dam. So friends, we have watched how to catch fish in this Pyra river. Today I am sharing with you. Look at this. They have got many fish. This is koa fish, koa mach actually. So look at this. Look at this. So friend, look at this. There are many passengers. They return their home from the city. So look at this. So friend, today I have shared with you how to catch fish from the river. This is live fishing. It is thrilling experience of me. Hey. So friend, you are watching Fishing Story 365. I'm coming. Look at this. This is a net is floating. It's a great experience of my life. This is first time ever I have shared with you the live fishing in the river. This is Pyra. It is a great river in Bangladesh. So fisherman is coming with fish. Look at this. They will go to market, local market, to sell this fish. It is great experience of my life. It will be 10 kgs fish. Now they will take it market and they will sell it, and they will return afternoon at 2 p.m. to catch fish, hilcha fish. So now they are going to market, fish market, wholesale fish market. So friend, I would like to say you goodbye now. See you with another brand new videos. Until, stay with us. Bye now.